My man outside. I don't know.
Very low-key Igbo billionaires, I swear. Vintage house has turned to a very big gathering of Igbo billionaires. So if you want to see them, I think you need to stick around because these are low-key Igbo billionaires that are gathered here. It's happening live, gifts everywhere. There's no Igbo guys that I've never seen visit this house. All the Igbo guys, even in and outside of Lagos, everybody has visited this house to welcome the new baby. And low-key niggas are rich because Vintage is very connected. So
where are you? I can't see you. Lily, see Uche, Nana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You don't do Igbo for your birthday. You never ask enter your birthday they do Igbo.
Hello. You cannot. All this your chieftaincy. I go tell them where I for know you before you become.
Where you for know me? Now you will love it.
I know I will love it.
You will.
You're right, but like saying that cutting you, they take measurements. Even that cutting, I go shop.
Open. See, Osabia, this guy is going to get my supply going on. My quality supply going on. We also be taking back. The premium or nothing. The premium or nothing. I hope.
And I promise you that I shall never breathe again. That I shall never breathe again.
My boy, Okay. My leader. My leader. Hey, why you don't see your best friend?
I don't see him. So that I call you. Who did you offend? Who did you offend? Nothing is coming to me. I live a peaceful life all my life. So who did you offend?
We are all peaceful. All peaceful. How about I'm going to please get to this home?
You chief tell me.
And congratulations. But I don't see. I don't want to go.
Is it like
the sea. Bow. Come on, the baby do it. Let us small. Let us small. Bumping our mama.
W. Michael Don Show. Zhao Zaza and wife is here.
Straight from the airport. Hey, the Godfather is here. The Godfather is here. There you go. So you allow this man.
I'm telling you. I'm not getting around no kumwebe. He ends up lion. Chineke mena gabia. Ika uhe apparent in Yagazia. No,